this edition of Unboxing Alaska, we don't know how much it weighs because it faded, but it's a smaller box from our dry riverbed, so I don't expect anything too exciting. Probably a lot of quartz, mostly igneous rocks, nothing metamorphic, probably a bunch of tumblers. Let's pop them open. First bag's a nice surprise. This is pay dirt from, I forgot where, but it has gold in it. We just have to mine it out. Thought it'd be a fun project if any of my students make straight A's, all 100s every quarter. They'll be eligible to pan for real gold. And they're little tiny little flakes, but it's real gold. If you have a friend, these are going to go in tumbler. I'll see them in a few months. Some of them might be ready as little as 14 to 28 days. So friends, if you haven't seen it yet, the website's come along, tumblerocks.com. Check it out. You can order rock tumbling services. That last one was 20 something. Oh, this is going to make up for it. 50 pounds, 8.8 ounces. Woo! Yeah, sorry, I like it. Gigantic rocks to start us off. Not sure where, but I did write Kenai Peninsula on here. This one, let's get this guy wet. It's probably 5 pounds, 6 on rock. Some nice burgundy, some nice green. This guy's not too impressive dry. Wet? I'd say that's a keeper. That's gonna be nice. We'll try and do these two green ones and that one, and try these 5. Alright, as they take their bath. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this stuff takes a good polish. I already know that. AI was telling me some kind of spotted green jasper. This guy, I'm excited about cutting him open. See what he's got to give us. Alright, we're gonna get him wet, and maybe him. We'll do those 3. The 9-pound rock right there. Oh yeah. Look at that. And if that goes all the way through, that dark color with that orange, I think it will. It's gonna be spectacular. Alright, we'll throw all these guys into the strainer and get them wet. See what pops out. I think this one's going to be pretty cool. Let's just do him by himself real quick. Yeah, that's a nice rock. Alright, I put a note card at the bottom. Thank you, Lord, for giving me that wisdom. And this is all from Agate Beach. Yes. Look at those beauties. Thank you, Lord. Well, it was mostly pay dirt, just a tiny bit of rocks, so we'll probably unbox another one so you don't feel cheated. Here is all the loose rocks from episode 11. This stuff cuts and polishes amazing. Already done with a nice piece of quartz. Nice green veiny quartz. Alright, moving on to the next box. Rock tumbling services plus some specimens that are available. There will also be a Tumble of the Month Club where I'll send you 12 to 13 rocks every month with a subscription. And there'll be a clearance section on samples and other rocks I have that you can purchase. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great content. God bless you.